guys, today I'm here to talk to you a little bit about the Edible Beauty Sleeping Beauty Purifying Mousse Overnight Mask. As you know, Edible Beauty is a completely vegan skincare line, and the Overnight Mousse Mask is also pregnancy safe and gluten-free. So some fun facts about the mask is that it's purifying and hydrating, it balances oil production and brightens skin, all while you sleep at night. I love incorporating an overnight mask into my routine to help amplify the benefits that your skin already gets when you sleep. As you know, while you sleep, your skin is doing the most regenerating and the most repairing, so it's important to get enough sleep, but adding an overnight mask on top of the rest of your skincare as you go to sleep, such as this one, helps boost the repairing and the regenerating your skin is already doing. So it's also brightening, and it's also purifying, and it's also hydrating your skin. So pink clay and zeolites in this formula detoxify and purify the skin. Avocado oil helps soothe the skin, and acai and snowflower help hydrate and nourish the skin. So 2 to 3 times a week after you've done your regular nighttime skincare routine, so cleansing, toning, and any serums that you choose to use, apply a thick layer of the Sleeping Beauty Purifying Mousse Overnight Mask to your skin. You want to make sure that you apply it thick enough so that it's visible on the skin when you go to sleep, and overnight as you sleep, it absorbs into the skin and you wake up with brightened, hydrated, purified, beautiful, healthy skin.